question here is, what are objects and classes? And I'm going to tell you, objects are a set of variables. Classes are a blueprint for how to create an object. Now, this point in the curriculum is extremely important because this is where students either fall off or they understand the material and are able to move forward. So if you're not clear on what I'm talking about over the course of these next 3 videos or so, rewatch them over and over again until you are clear on what is going on here. And if you're not, then come up to me and we can talk about it. Okay? So again, objects are a set of variables. Classes are a blueprint for how to create an object. What is a blueprint? It is a 2-dimensional piece of paper that contains information on how to build an object such as a house. A contractor can take this blueprint, go to a lot of land, and start building houses using the blueprint. Right? Here's one house, here's another house, here's another house, and here's another house. Right? The idea here is that the class or the blueprint is a 2-dimensional piece of paper. It is just an idea. It is just a set of instructions. It is not an actual object. It is not something that you can use in your program to contain information. It's instructions on how to build an object. Once we build an object, let's say this house here, right? In our code, what would that look like? It would be a set of variables. This here is a set of variables that we created using this blueprint. This house here is another set of variables that we created using this blueprint or this class. This one here is another set of variables that we created using this blueprint or this class. Now in our program, once we have our objects, once we have our set of variables here, here, and here, right, then we can use those objects in the running of our program. Very important concept. Classes are simply instructions on how to build an object. Objects are what we use in our program in order to have it run the way that we want it to.